everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. In today's video I am going to be doing this makeup look. It is inspired by Michele Lamy. Michele Lamy is the partner, muse, spouse of designer Rick Owens. She herself is a designer. She's also my full-time muse, or one of them. I just think that she's so cool. She inspired my tattoos on my fingers. She has tattoos like something similar. They were based on inspired tattoos from Berber. She's very into nomadic tribes and eccentric beauty. She is what I aspire to be. Blazes her own path. She cites inspiration from definitely like Jean-Luc Godard films. She smokes a lot of cigarettes. She has gold teeth so that you don't see the stains. I mean, that's just the coolest. She moved to LA. She met Rick Owens. He started to work for her. She had her own line of clothes. They just hit it off. They were like two peas in a pod, and they've been together for a really long time, and they continue to inspire each other and work together, and it's just a beautiful love story and a beautiful couple. So they are definitely some inspirations of mine, so I wanted to do a video based on her look or inspired by her look. And it's definitely something that I look to do when I like sit down to do my makeup. I think of people that I'm inspired by, and if I just add like a little element of what they do into my day, I kind of take them along with me, which adds inspiration to me and it makes me happy. So if you like this look, please continue to watch and like and subscribe, and let's get started. I usually do this side of my face or my eye because you don't need to see to, if you're just like wanting to know how to do an eye, one is good. But I mean, that's basically, I'm gonna add a little bit to it, but we'll do that later. But I just wanted to get something down. So this is, I don't know if it's new for MAC, but I have never found a black liner to be this black. It's fantastic, and it lasts all day in your waterline. It's brilliant. So this is basically the shape. I go a little bit downturn because she likes a more like tribal nomadic look, so this is inspired by, so it's not exactly what she does as usual. So that black liner, just throw that all over. Take a fluffy, small fluffy brush and just blend that out. This is so creamy, right? My cat's got a lot to say. So just blend that out. Keep it more downturned under on the lower lash line, and then on the top I kind of blend more out and up. Not taking it too far up into the crease, but it's definitely going on the lid. And keeping the majority of the color towards the lash line. You don't want to blend it too much, just the outer parts. Close enough. This isn't like a perfect look by any means. But since I don't want the eyeliner, it's gonna move throughout the day, but I don't want it to move too much, I'm gonna take my face powder with a fluffy brush and just set it. A lot of face powders, you can use a transparent powder so you really don't get any other coverage, or you can use, it just depends on how light you want this to go. But it's mainly meant to just set that area so it doesn't move too much. Is that even? Yeah. I'm gonna add mascara. I love a look that's just cool, fast, easy. When I wear it, it reminds me of the person that I'm inspired by. So throughout the day, I just feel like cool. I'm like cool like them. See how it's like, it's a little bit tilted. There's not a lot there. That's just my natural eye shape. So if you have the same issue, just go in and fill that with your liner. Sometimes you have to cheat. It may feel like you're not putting makeup where it's supposed to be, but by adding that. It keeps that line fluid. So she wears like, it's more like Stone from MAC, if you know that. It's very neutral brown. And I'm gonna do my lips the way that I usually do them. I contour my lip shape first, and then I'll go in with color. So this is what I like to do. Draw that lip shape on way above your lip line. And just blend it, so that gives it a blurred look. I'll do it just in the outer corners, and that just kind of like tilts it up. And then just in the bottom. I love that, because it just kind of gives like a shadowy look rather than the look of a liner. Now this color is Angela from Wilma Beauty. It's very, very pigmented. So I just tap it on so it continues to give more of that blurred look. This is coming up a little bit warmer than what she uses, but I don't mind it. First thing that she does when she wakes up is she draws a line. And that makes her feel, look at the size of my forehead, wow. And then she's ready for the day. I love that she plays with makeup to express herself. So it doesn't matter what other people think is beautiful or not. This is what she loves, and this is what she does. And it's her. I'm going to add a little bit of gloss to the lid. So this will definitely move around on you. But if you just use like the littlest amount and just press it onto the lid, not too high. I just think that's so lovely. Just gonna add a little to the lip so it's not too dry. And there it is. I didn't add any blush or anything. She keeps her skin pretty tan. But that's it. Just a quick eyeliner. I mean, you don't have to do the whole thing, of course, but I just wanted to do something inspired by Michele Lamy because I just adore her. I think she is so cool. I love the way she plays with makeup. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe so you can see more videos by me. If you have any ideas of makeup that you would like me to do, then leave a comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.